Five little ducklings. Five little ducklings went to play, swimming, splashing all the day. One went missing, where did he hide? Here he comes with a happy glide. Quack, quack, waddle and play, swim and splash the day away. One by one they hide and run till they're back. Oh, what fun! Four little ducklings paddled fast, racing by as they splashed past. One got lost behind a tree, but here she comes, happy and free. Quack, quack, waddle and play, swim and splash the day away. One by one they hide and run till they're back. Oh, what fun! Dove so deep, wiggling tails with little peeps. One swam far and lost his way, but found his friends, hip hooray! Two little ducklings side by side, floating gently with the tide. One got stuck in the river bend, but here she comes back again. One little duckling all alone, looking for friends in the unknown. Then Mama quacked, "Come back to me!" And five little ducklings laughed with glee. Five little ducklings safe and sound, all together homeward bound. Waddle, waddle, quack, 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 now it's time for a cozy nap.